Janelle wrote the matrix equation below. Brrrt. Which statement is true? Well, I see some variables scattered throughout here. So let's follow the variables. So the first variable I see here is n. Notice that that is in row 1, column 3. Let's highlight every element that is in row 1 and column 3. So the number 4 is in that same position. The number -7, same position. And the number 18 is in the same position. So we can make an equation out of those 4 numbers. Now just be careful, pay attention to where the plus sign is, where's the equal sign, and we have some parentheses. So I have n plus, now here comes some parentheses, but then inside the parentheses I have 4 plus -7, so 4 plus -7, okay, and then equals 18. So that's one equation that I can make. Alright, okay, here's another variable inside the expression m minus 1. Alright, that's row 2, column 2. So is -12, so is 0, so is +12. So I can make an equation out of those 4 things. So this would be m minus 1, okay, plus, and now here come the parentheses, -12 plus 0, alright, those are the 2 things inside the parentheses, and then equals 12. Okay, this plus this equals this. Alright, let's do that one more time with, I see the variable s right here, so I've got the s plus 1. So that is in the 3rd row, 2nd column. So is -18, -11, and -28. Okay, so let's make that equation. So I've got s plus 1 plus, and in parentheses, I've got -18 plus -11, okay, equals -28. Okay, now I need to match one of these equations with one of these equations. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, which statement is true? So let's see. Looking at the first statement, I've got n plus 4 minus 7 is equal to 18. That looks very similar to the first equation. Okay, so the question is, so it looks like the only thing that's different is the parentheses. So instead of having the parentheses around the 4 and the -7, we just have the parentheses moved around the n and the 4. So if I move those parentheses over, then I have n plus 4 and then plus -7, which is the same thing as just -7, equals 18. So I really think that first answer is correct right there, because the associative property tells us that we can move those parentheses if we want. So I think the first one is the right answer. So I don't think I need to look any further. Bam! That one was right away. If that had been wrong, I would have kept searching, of course.